DoNotPay Legal Subscription App. The pros, the cons. The DoNotPay Legal Subscription App promises to automate legal tasks, but most people get this wrong when they think legal services have to be expensive or slow. The surprising truth is that this AI-powered app can handle routine legal issues quickly and often without a lawyer, saving time and money. One major pro is automation. The app helps users generate legal documents, contest parking tickets, cancel subscriptions, and even handle small claims filings. It's like having a virtual legal assistant that works around the clock. Another advantage is affordability. Rather than paying high hourly rates, users pay a single subscription fee for access to multiple legal services. This is especially useful for individuals managing routine legal needs or navigating simple disputes. However, there are cons. The app is designed for basic, standardized legal tasks. It cannot replace personalized legal advice for complex issues like litigation, intellectual property disputes, or complicated contracts. Users must also ensure they comply with local laws, as the app provides guidance rather than legal representation. In conclusion, the DoNotPay Legal Subscription App is an innovative tool for simplifying everyday legal tasks. It saves time, reduces costs, and offers convenience for common legal problems. For routine or standardized matters, it's highly effective, but for critical legal decisions, professional counsel remains essential.